Every year, millions of Muslims around the world observe Ramadan, a month of fasting, prayer, and reflection. But beyond its spiritual significance, fasting during Ramadan has profound effects on both the body and mind. Today, we're diving into the science of fasting, how it transforms your health, brain function, and overall well-being. What happens in your body during fasting? When you fast from dawn to sunset, your body goes through a series of metabolic changes. Let's break it down. First few hours. Right after your last meal, your body uses glucose as its primary energy source. This is the normal state of metabolism. Mid-fasting phase. As glucose levels drop, your body starts tapping into stored glycogen in the liver and muscles. Ketosis phase. When glycogen runs out, the body switches to burning fat for energy. This process is called ketosis, which promotes fat loss and provides a steady source of energy. Autophagy studies show that prolonged fasting triggers autophagy, a process where cells remove damaged components, helping to reduce inflammation, aging, and disease risk. Second, mental benefits of Ramadan fasting. Fasting isn't just about physical health, it's also a mental reset. Here's how. Boosts brain function. Studies show fasting increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which helps with learning, memory, and stress resilience. Improves mood and reduces anxiety. Fasting enhances the production of dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good hormones, leading to better mood and reduced anxiety. Stronger focus and spiritual connection. With fewer distractions from food, many people experience heightened focus, self-awareness, and a stronger connection with their faith and spirituality. Additional health benefits. Ramadan fasting isn't just about weight loss. It has long-term health benefits too. Better heart health, lowers bad cholesterol (LDL) and improves blood circulation. Gut health and digestion gives your digestive system a break, promoting a healthier gut microbiome. Stronger immunity. Studies suggest fasting can help boost the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections. Tips for a healthy Ramadan. To get the most out of Ramadan fasting, keep these tips in mind. Eat balanced suhoor and iftar meals. Include protein, fiber, and healthy fats to sustain energy. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water between iftar and suhoor to avoid dehydration. Avoid heavy, processed foods. Too much sugar and fried food can lead to fatigue and bloating. Listen to your body. If you feel unwell, consult a doctor before continuing your fast. Ramadan fasting is more than just a religious practice. It's a powerful detox for the body and mind. From weight loss to mental clarity and spiritual growth, the benefits are undeniable. So as you embark on this journey, remember, you're not just fasting, you're resetting and healing. Did you find this video helpful? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.